Suno quietly dropped a hidden new feature that will help you go viral on TikTok. The trend is people are going viral by taking the replies from comments and creating studio quality level songs from them. Let me show you how you can access this hidden feature and create these same songs in Suno so you can do the same thing and go viral. For now, this isn't a feature you can access from within Suno. It can only be done by going to this special URL. I'll also put a link to it in the description as well. Let's show you how to actually create these viral songs. There's nothing actually stopping you from using a text message, comments from other social media sites, emails, chat forums. Any text commentary will work. I've actually taken a bunch of comments that you left in my last YouTube video, which I'm going to take and use to create the song. So I'm going to paste the comments into the lyrics part. And then I'm going to talk about the styles. The style is going to be a deep house vocal with a female singer. All you have to do is click Create Song. Suno will automatically add it to your library, but if you're doing this for the first time or you haven't signed in, it may prompt you to do so or to create an account. And here's a preview of the song.
It doesn't work for me. It's not my own voice. No matter what I try. Not much info on your own voice there. 2 clips, awful output. Doesn't Suno fix your own vocal? That's right. Like enchanted. That's right. It's not your voice. It's some of your vocals overlaid on Suno's vocals. We tried it multiple times, but as it's in beta, hopefully it will improve over time. I tried it, but Suno can't find my microphone. I get this problem all the time. In control panel it shows up in the recording device default. Even with my old interface it had the same problem.
With the song ready, let's go ahead and download it. And we're going to click the 3 dots. We're going to hover over download, and then we're going to click wave audio. With the song downloaded, we now need to go to the next step, and that's actually to create the clip itself that can be posted on TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use CapCut because it's completely free to use. And within templates, they have a number of custom templates that you can use to actually plug in your own videos and music and different elements. Just keep in mind that some of these do require a pro subscription, but a lot of them are actually free. What's great about CapCut is they have a lyrics section that are specifically around designing lyric videos. And I'm just going to go with this one because this one I know is free. So I'm going to click use this template. Now within the template itself, if you go down to the timeline, you have the ability to swap out the actual visual. So I already have this video that I made using another AI video platform. Now all I have to do is hover over and click replace. And then now we've got the video imported. With the song imported and the video clip imported, we now need to start building out the text that's going to come up on the screen. You can do this by going to the text tab, and then there's default text. If you just click and drag it to the bottom and add it to the timeline, this will come in and you can take it and you can move it around, and then you can start adding the words. You can actually start building it out as it comes along. And then you can go to the next one and then place that where you want that to be, and then just continue to build out the lyrics. If you have a pro account, this is obviously a lot easier. You can use things like auto translations, and there's different templates that you can use and those kinds of things. But as a starting package, you can completely do this yourself for free. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to get more creative with AI tools, I have content popping up that you can click on right here.